Open your web browser. Access to SolisCloud monitoring platform and log in your account. Enter the plant details page. Enter the page of device. Enter the list of Datalogger. Click Add Datalogger. Enter the SN of Datalogger. Click OK. Then the Datalogger has been added successfully. If you want to unbind the Datalogger, click Operation at the end of that Datalogger in the list. You can select to reserve or delete history data. End of instruction. Thanks for watching. For further help, please contact Solis official after sales service department.